Use weeds as herbal remedies. The plant kingdom is rich with medicinal herbs and plants. However, did you know that many plants we consider as weeds also have medicinal value? It's true. There are many weeds that can be used as herbal remedies. Here's how to use weeds as herbal remedies. Use coco grass to relieve tummy problems. The tuber of coco grass can be boiled in a pot with some buttermilk. When ready, it can be given to children to drink to relieve bloating, stomach aches, and indigestion. You may also use milk with a bit of water when boiling, and the liquid can be used to improve poor appetites and even help relieve diarrhea. If you have the coco grass in powder form, it can be mixed with honey to form a paste that can be applied as an antifungal ointment, or even as an anti-aging face mask. Boil the roots of dandelions. This very common garden weed can be used to treat liver problems. Gather some of the roots and leaves and rinse with water to remove the dirt and soil. Boil it in a pot of water. Drink the concoction to detoxify the liver. The tea can also be applied to the face to help remove age spots and other skin blemishes. Dip a small towel in the water and wipe it on the face. Use horny goat weed to address sexual dysfunction. This Chinese herb has been utilized for centuries to improve sexual stamina. It can be taken in capsule form to improve libido, help deal with fatigue, and help women ease the discomfort of menopause. It has also been used as a liver and kidney aid. Finally, it also has been shown to help joint pain as well as back pain in some patients. It can be purchased in capsule or tablet form from pharmacies and natural health food stores. Make a tea out of chickweed. Chickweed has been shown to aid in circulatory and inflammatory ailments such as gout, rheumatism, and provides relief to stiff joints. Boil some chickweed and drink the tea. It is also a diuretic, so it can help those trying to lose weight. If you mash the chickweed and make it into a soft paste, you can use it to help heal cuts and other wounds. Eat seaweed. Seaweed is high in calcium, fiber, amino acids, antioxidants, and a various number of minerals and trace elements. It is beneficial for overall good health as it aids in digestion, increasing energy, improves immunity, and provides relief for body aches. It is readily available as a snack food item in Asian grocery stores and even Whole Foods Market or Trader Joe's. The next time you find weed, think twice about killing it. It may actually have some medicinal value that you can use. Although the mark of a good yard is one free of weeds, you may be surprised and come to appreciate that all living things do serve a purpose. Harness the power of weeds for your good health.